Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Twitch. If you are annoyed with constant ads when you watch live streams, there is a way that you can block it. For that, you need to open up your new tab if you're using your web browsers and search for Web Store because we're going to download a web extension. What you do, click on the Chrome Web Store. And on the top left, click on the search bar and search for TTP Ad Eraser. Once you search for it, this extension will pop up. Click on it and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. And this extension will be added to your Chrome browser. Once the extension has been added, you can click on the extension and make sure that this is enabled. Now this way, ads won't show up on live streams on Twitch. There are other extensions also. This is by far the best one I have tried. You can also try other ones if you see. And that's about it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.